Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to backup data on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select additional settings, and here you will notice backup and reset. Just tap on it. It's the very last icon, and then go to backup and restore. No, backup my data, sorry, just activate it. And here you should add your backup account, so just tap on backup account, and now tap on add account. You have to enter your fingerprint or passcode if you have one. And now enter either your email or phone number. I will enter my email address. gmail.com. Once it's typed, just tap on next. And here you have to enter your password, so just let me enter it here. And when you enter your password, just tap on next. And that's it. Now you have to agree with terms of service by tapping on I agree. Give your device a few seconds to check all information and then tap on OK. And that's it. Since now your backup account is active. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.